She's walking too slow.
Carly can scooter faster than her.
Oh, it's really zoomed in.
Isn't it I like this one?
I don't know.
You did.
Jesse, move your head. Here she comes. Car.
Carly doesn't care. Watch it be someone you know.
Got another car.
Put your over there. See your thing now. That's their sand cow.
Morgan, I don't care. I hate Sammy Peter Pan, you can't go in there.
What? Sammy Peter Pan said she sneezed.
She's going to change her underwear. See, she's back now.
What happened, Sammy?
She pissed herself.
I sneezed and I tinkled. I just tinkled. So go ahead.
There was a snake by the wall when he was mowing.